All right, there it is. Quick run with the AVC system by Spektrum. Really awesome component to add to any car or truck. If you're looking to get more stability, more speed, better handling, it's all good, man. I know there's gonna be a huge crowd out there that's gonna say, you know what, that's kind of too noob friendly, and it's really numbing the driving experience. But in my opinion, it's just another added piece of technology that we're adding to a vehicle. Nothing more, nothing less, you know? It's like adding ABS or power steering. There's, you know, just so many different things, 4x4. So many things that we add over time, and naturally you're gonna get some closed-minded people, you know? So in my opinion, it's definitely an added bonus, that's for sure. I wouldn't say it numbs out the experience, but it does make you a better driver. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or even a pro, it'll make you a better driver all around, you know? And of course, you can turn it off, depending on what kind of experience you have. Once you put it in, you're not pigeonholed into having this system that's too aggressive in the adjustments. You can fully fine-tune both the steering and the throttle independently, and of course turn it completely off if that's what you choose and that's what you want to do. So yeah, in my opinion, get with the times, people. It's 2017. There's a whole lot of technology out there and a whole lot of new features that you can try out, and this is just one of them. This is another thing that you can add to your truck, your car, and make it better. That's pretty much all it is. Nothing more, nothing less, all right? So 2 thumbs up for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I'm looking to build this channel up little by little as much as I can. So anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.